A ruling from the Alabama Supreme Court on fertility treatments, and it could have an impact far beyond the state. The court ruling frozen embryos are children. ABC's Andrew Dimbert has more.
This morning, new questions about the future of fertility treatments after Alabama's Supreme Court ruled that frozen embryos are children. The decision reverses a lower court's ruling in a case brought by a couple who sued a fertility clinic for wrongful death after someone dropped their frozen embryos on the floor, destroying them. The court cited Alabama's Constitution in its ruling, saying even before birth, all human beings bear the image of God, and their lives cannot be destroyed without effacing his glory.
It could effectively end IVF in the entire state of Alabama.
With treatments like in vitro fertilization, several eggs are fertilized outside the body before being implanted into a patient's uterus.
In that waiting period, some of the embryos might show up as non-viable. And in that case, what the clinics will do is dispose of them. But now, according to Alabama law, that would essentially be the murder of a child.
Alabama State Medical Association warning the increased risk of legal exposure might result in Alabama's fertility clinics shutting down. The issue is already on the radar of federal lawmakers. Illinois Senator Tammy Duckworth and Pennsylvania Congresswoman Susan Wild have introduced a bill called the Access to Family Building Act. It would establish IVF and other fertility treatments as a right for patients and doctors.
Everyone deserves access to the full range of assisted reproductive technologies to help them start or grow their families, including treatments like in vitro fertilization.
Andrew Dimbert, ABC News, New York.
The Access to Family Building Act is still awaiting a committee hearing.